Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my wellness planners. So my meal planner and the wellness. And it is for the week of July 17th through the 23rd. This particular planner that I use as my meal planner is called Frosted Blooms, and I'm going back to my previous version of the meal planner where I made meal stickers and kind of that way I think it looked much cleaner, especially after the flip throughs. I really enjoyed seeing it, and it was so much cleaner even to look for the meals. So I'm gonna quickly put this down, obviously fast forward, and if this is your first time joining, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to hang out with me, thank you. Welcome back, friend. So let me go ahead and put all of these things down. So we have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. And I decided to make a coffee spread. So I have all of these like little coffee stains and beans and coffee illustrations that I purchased from Etsy and made into stickers. So I am loving this. I printed enough to do another spread down the line. I really do enjoy coffee and caffeinated drinks. So how perfect is this? And obviously nothing better than that in a meal planner, right? So I'm just making kind of like a loopy coffee stain on top. I think it looks great. A little bit different and a little bit fun. And I'm gonna add these coffee beans that I printed individually. And I think they're a lot of fun. So I'm gonna be adding these in between and kind of spreading them around, and then we'll decorate the bottom. I hope you guys are doing well and that you're succeeding in your wellness journey. I hope that everything is doing and going well for all of you. And if you're struggling, you're not alone. So I've been struggling with my wellness journey for such a long time now that I completely understand. So I'm adding all of these drinks to the bottom, including the coffee and the little beans and stuff like that. I think it's super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all of those little trinkets in here. I'm gonna add a coffee girl. I think I'm gonna add her right there. Actually, I'm gonna lower her and just cut off the excess because I need a room to write my snack. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and add more things to the spread, clearly. So I'm gonna, don't forget to give yourself a break with a little book. So I really do like this. And then I'm adding coffee beans and stuff like that in between. I'm gonna add this in the middle. Life happens, coffee helps. And I want something in the middle of the bottom portion of the girl and the face with the croissant. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna put there yet, but give me a second and we'll figure it out together. I think I want a drink, like to put a big drink in between there. I don't know. Maybe like a latte. Yeah, like that with a little heart. I'm gonna cut off the excess so it's not sticking out because I really don't like that. I've been really bad about that in the past, and I just don't like flipping through the planner when everything is sticking out like that. So I'm gonna use a brownish zig pen and make like light coffee dots. I was thinking about using beans for this, but I like my zig pen. I think it's very uniformed and it looks great. So we can go ahead and start. Okay, let's make some dots on the grocery list side as well. But I think I'm going to use the fine tip and make darker, tiny little bullet points because I want some of the darker brown in here as well. like that. I think that's good. And then I'm going to pop this back into my planner and we can go ahead and start actual meal planning. So let's do this. So for breakfast, it's going to be pretty easy. I'm going to be doing hard-boiled eggs. If you guys are doing Weight Watchers, those are 0 points, which I love because those are easy. You get a lot of protein. So okay, one of the days will be toast, so I'm not bored. And then for lunch, sandwich and salad, because I'm bringing lunch from home, like a very easy sandwich, probably just like one slice of bread cut in half, stuffed with all of the veggies and meats. So I can make gołąbki, which is stuffed pork and rice, grilled chicken on Tuesday for dinner. I'm just checking my freezer inventory, and this way I know what I have in here. I highly recommend having one of those. It is so much easier. Steak and stir fry, and then peach, plum, and apple for snacks. So I bring a snack to work if I get hungry in between. Sometimes I work really well or late, so hard-boiled eggs again, and then grapefruit on Thursday, sandwich and a salad. And I'm unscrewing my pen somehow. Okay, toast, avocado toast actually, with some cilantro and lime. Salad for lunch on Friday. And then we're gonna be out because we're picking up the puppy. Eggs and toast on Sunday. Salad. Pork chops on Sunday, and then I need to fill out the snacks. Plum. I don't know what. Okay. Dinner on Thursday. I forgot. We're gonna do pork chops again because I really do like making those. Peach, plum, and apple once again. So super simple. I love the spread and how it turned out. So now we're gonna move to my wellness planner. And this one is nature and nurture. I'm gonna do a super quick spread with the Live Love Posh sticker book, the brand new one. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Like, I don't know what to do. I love all of them. This is so hard when she has so many cute stickers. I'm gonna use this tropical vibe here. I'm gonna remove all of these really quickly. And of course, this will be renamed. And we can go ahead and start. I'm gonna start with some of these florals that are very much tropical vibe. And of course, I need all of these checklists up here. So I think I'm going to use orange, pink ones, and teal. And it's going to be like a nice combo. So I'm going to use a couple of each, and then we'll go from there. So I'm going to start with teal, and then add pink and orange, or orange and pink, I should say. And then I'm going to play with the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to start with the teal and end with the teal. Like so. Okay, there we go. And now time for the stickers. So a super fun spread, probably very, very quick because I keep these super functional. So I'm gonna just grab these humongous florals. Look, that takes care of one side. No, I'm joking. I'll add more stuff. But yeah, basically takes care of one side, right? Look how huge. And these are beautiful. And I need 2 boxes to cover up the top and the bottom. So I'm gonna use orange and teal. Let's put teal on the top, orange on the bottom, like so. And then add a little bit more of these decors. So let's sit this girl on these flowers, eating. And we're gonna put a cooler on one side, this beach bag on the other. I'm gonna put all of these towels right here. So adorable, you guys. I love Posh stickers. She makes it so easy to decorate. Like, look, this is taking me like literally 6 minutes to create this whole spread. Wellness is a little tougher, right? Because you have constraints about where you can place things, but even still, super quick. So I'm gonna add the swimming fins in there. And then I'm gonna use this orange color dot and maybe blue one. Yeah, so let's just make some dots. This blue is a little bit darker, but the other blue was too light and I didn't like that. So it is what it is. And you know what? It's gonna be all right because this is fully functional. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this. This is all I have for you. And I'll see you guys next week for another plan with me. Thanks for joining. Bye.